President Emmerson Mnangagwa hinted that the flamboyant businessman known in ZANU-PF circles as the Zvigananda soon face arrest as factional battles inside the ruling party intensify ahead of the 2028 elections. Zanabenda mashoko obuda panguva ino top Zvigananda panguva ino wiki Chivhayo achikandwa pasi pebhazi ava nemutungamiri wenyika kuonekwa kunzi ndo vakomana vakuhinda aiwa kuti mutungamiri wenyika akwanise kuatena his 2030 agenda kana 2030 plans. Don't subscribe or like on the bell kuti pina mnamoda kwa mchinzi. Addressing an urgent sitting of the ruling ZANU-PF Central Committee and Politburo on Thursday, Mnangagwa warned against the unexplained displays of wealth in what many insiders saw as thinly veiled attack on his controversial benefactors. Those splashing money without traceable sources should be arrested, Mnangagwa declared. The remark comes after his Deputy Vice President Konsano Chiwenga tabled a damning dossier during Wednesday's sitting Politburo session. Chiwenga accused Mnangagwa's close allies, businessman Kudakwasheta Gray, energy dealer Wikino Chivhayo, presidential associate Delish Gwaya, and gold magnate Scott Sakupanya of capturing both the state and the ruling party, collectively braided the Zvigananda. Therefore, have been bankrolling ZANU-PF events and flaunting extraordinary wealth in a collapsing economy. Chiwenga's dossier reportedly detailed how the group was using illicit financial networks and their proximity to Mnangagwa to entrench their business empires while undermining state institutions. He demanded their immediate arrest for corruption in financial crimes, warning that their unchecked influence risked delegitimizing the party. The public rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga comes against the backdrop of the 2030 agenda, a push by Mnangagwa loyalists to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional limit. When Mnangagwa appeared to rebuke that plan on Thursday, his words left the room of speculation. It is of importance that we introspect as a party, not only with regards to our short-term activities, but in the view of the bigger objective that our party wins the 2028 harmonized general elections, Mnangagwa told the Central Committee. Chiwenga, however, has openly rejected the idea of extending Mnangagwa's rule, insisting that the 2028 polls should not be postponed or manipulated. In a recent closed-door meetings, he has argued that Mnangagwa's over reliance on oligarchies like the Zvigananda is eroding ZANU-PF's liberation legacy and weakening its grassroots structures. The unfolding fight exposed the widening cracks in ZANU-PF, with the Mnangagwa caught between defending his controversial financiers and containing growing internal dissent led by his deputy. For the first time since 2017, the balance of power between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga appears dangerously fragile. Ndo mashoko aripo kwa kuendewa auchazika amwe kwainzi kwa intaneti. Tudze mafunguro enyu motukuliva musoro pechiri Chiwenga panguva ino achiisa the room into order. Pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe, like, chito on the bell icon.